welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Kerr and this is Oblong Polka Dots. On this channel we talk about makeup, skincare, and beauty. So if you are interested in those things, you are in the right place. Today we have a haul from Sephora and I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. Here is the box. And let's see what goodies we have. So, I'm going to set this down. Take out all the paper. And let's grab, in no particular order, I'm just going to grab whatever's in there. So, first things first. In this little bag we have 2 of the Brazilian Bum Bum creams. Or one's called Bum Bum and the other one is called Bom Dia. So the first one is the Bom Dia Bright Cream, and that's what this looks like. This is a body cream. There we go. This is a body, wait, is it upside down? Sorry. Anyways, this is a body cream. It goes in your body. It smells really good. It's very moisturizing. The one that I've tried before is the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. And that's this one. It comes in the mustard colored container. Both of these smell amazing. They are both very hydrating. So yeah, I grabbed these. These are the minis, by the way. They come in a bigger size than this. But I wanted to get just 2 smaller ones because I use a lot of moisturizers and, you know, body care, skincare, and I didn't want to get too much because I don't want it to go bad. Alright, and then the next thing I grabbed, because apparently I forgot that I grabbed those, is this kit. So it is the Bum Bum Cream Kit, and this one is called Bum Bum Summer Jet Set. So I think this is supposed to be like the little travel kit. Inside of it you have another one of these Bum Bum creams, and then you also get, let's see if I can open this, you also get a Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Gel Cream. That's this one. And you get a body spray, which I've used before. This one is called the 62. It's pistachio and salted caramel. If you like really, really sweet tropical scents, then you're going to like this one. I like it. I think it smells really good. And again, it comes with this little cream as well. So, actually, I think this one might be smaller. It is, look, it's smaller. So you get how many ounces? What is this? This is 50 mils, or 1.5 fluid ounces that came in this little travel bag. And then the other one is 75 mils, or 2.5 fluid ounces. So, that's what came in this little bag. Let's pop this stuff back in here real quick. Smells really good. I can smell it without even being open. Alright, so the next thing I grabbed is something that I use every night, and I know it's going to get used up, so I went ahead and grabbed it. I think it was part of the birthday gift, possibly. So it's the LANEIGE Good Night Kit, and these are the lip sleeping mask and the water sleeping mask. So that's what the box looks like. It's got a little moon and stars. And then let's open it up and I'll show you the product. So this is the water sleeping mask. It's very hydrating. I like to use this at night. If I'm not going to be using my CeraVe PM moisturizer, then I'll use this instead. I don't really need to use both because they're both very hydrating, because I also put a mask on, like a paper mask at night. So there's that. And then the lip sleeping mask, even though it says a lip sleeping mask, I use this all the time. I'll throw it in my bag with a couple of Q-tips because I don't like to stick my finger into any of my potted products. So I prefer to have, this is what it looks like. I prefer to have something where I can, you know, kind of scoop it out, then use it on my lips. But this stuff is very, very hydrating and it works really, really well. There's a reason why it has a cult following, right? So I thought that was a fun little kit, and both of those things will probably be used up here in the next couple of months. What else is in here? There is, let's see, So I got the On the Glow Hydration Travel Kit from Belief, and this is what it looks like. Here's a little kind of cardboard sleeve that it comes in, and then inside of it is a little bag that is full of goodies from Belief. So according to the sleeve, there is the Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm, the True Cream Aqua Bomb Moisturizing Eye Balm, and the Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. And all of those are really small. They come in this little travel size bag, which is perfect because I believe it meets TSA standards. So let's see, and on the front of the bag, even if you can't see it on camera, it says Belief right here. But let me pull out these goodies so you can see what they look like. They're definitely small, but that's just fine for travel. If you're going to be gone for like a week or something, this would be ideal to take with you. So here is the True Cream. That's what that looks like. And it is, let's see, where's the size? This is 10 mils or 0.33 fluid ounces. And then I believe these two are, oops, sorry. I believe these two are the same size. Yeah. This is the True Cream, and it's also 10 mils or 0.33 fluid ounces. And then the Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask, same thing, 10 mils, 0.33 fluid ounces. Excuse me, losing my voice here. And then this one is the Moisturizing Eye Balm. I'm not really into eye cream, so I'll probably just use it as a moisturizer. But this is 5 mils or 0.17 fluid ounces. And again, these are really just tiny, meant for travel. I mean, if you see there's like kind of a space here in the bottom, like a little cavity, and the actual product it ends about here. So you can see that's what it looks like inside. Very moisturizing. And then the last product that came in this little travel size bag is the Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner. This is 20 mils or 0.67 fluid ounces. And that's what that looks like. So I just thought this would be nice because I do travel, and it's nice to have something where I don't really have to think too much about what it is that I'm packing. For all of my skincare needs, I can just throw what I need inside of my bag straight from this little bag and then get going. Because, you know, when you're packing for travel and you're trying to just get everything squared away for yourself and for kids, you don't want to have to fiddle around with like anything extra. So what else is in here? Wow, okay, so we have, this is from a company called Bread, and I believe that it is a Black woman-owned company. So this is the oil duo for your hair and body. So there's a hair oil, and then there's a macadamia oil. So the hair oil is like a lip gloss, but for your hair, and then the macadamia oil is a do-all oil for hair and everywhere else. And it comes in this really beautiful little box with this kind of gingham print. And then if you take the box, you can just slide the sleeve to the side, and the contents are really beautifully packaged. Check out this packaging, you guys. Isn't that nice? Looks like this one broke a little bit here on the bottom, so let's slide that back up so it looks the way it's supposed to. Ditto. There we go. Alright, so that's what it looks like, and they're both made of glass. So I heard a lot of good things about this brand, and I really wanted to give it a try. Also because, you know, obviously it's a Black woman-owned company. It's an indie brand. So I'm here for it, and I'm here to support it, and that's where my dollars will be going. You better believe that. Alright, next we have, okay, this is probably the birthday gift, I think. This is the Tatcha, yeah, Beauty Insider little kit. I think this was the birthday gift, not the LANEIGE. I probably bought the LANEIGE. So this comes with the rice wash, the dewy skin cream, and the liquid silk canvas. And I'll open this up so you can see it. Let's see. So inside the pack, this is the liquid silk canvas. It's just a little sachet. So it looks like it's probably meant for one use. And then This is the Soft Cream Cleanser. Not really into like cream cleansers per se, but I'm sure I can get some use out of this and use it all up. And then this is the Dewy Skin Cream, which is so tiny teeny. I mean, there's, how much is in here? Is it labeled? Yeah, it is. So you get 10 mils or 0.34 fluid ounces. Really, this is just enough to kind of give it a try. And I think I've already tried this before and I liked it. The only reason I probably didn't buy it is because I already have so many moisturizers. It's kind of like, what are you going to do, you know? Alright, so the next thing I grabbed was the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies Bestsellers Kit. And this comes with the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner, Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum, Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops, Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, and the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer Lotion. And that is what this little kit looks like. And here are all the products on the inside. You can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have not purchased anything from Glow Recipe, but I do like the brand owners and I like their style. I remember watching their YouTube channel previously, or I still do. So I definitely want to give this a try. I just wanted to have a chance to kind of try a little bit of everything. I think it's the, which one in here is really popular? I've heard of the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Eye Mask, and the, I think it's the Watermelon Glow Pore Tightener that I heard about. But either way, I'm excited to use this little kit. I think it's really nice that they put these all together so that if you haven't tried it before, you have an opportunity to see what the brand is all about. And then if there's something in there that you really like, you can go ahead and purchase the larger size. So the last thing that I have in this box is from a brand called Nécessaire, and it's the Body Ritual. And there are 4 different items in here. One is the body exfoliator, the body wash, the body serum, and the body lotion. And the reason I bought this is I was watching the Style and Beauty Doctor talk about skincare brands and things that she's been using for her body specifically, and she mentioned this brand. So because I've never tried it before, I wanted to give it a try and see what it was all about. This box feels pretty substantial. Let's open it and see how this goes. See if this is the top. Just going to take this. Oh wow, it's packaged so nicely. Look at that little configuration. So for the body exfoliator, you get 70 mils or 2.4 fluid ounces. And that's what it looks like. And then for the, let's see, multivitamin cleanse, nourish, balance. This is the face wash, I believe. Oh, body wash. There we go. And it's 100 mils or 3.4 fluid ounces. So that's a lot of product there to be able to try out and see if you like it. And then there is the body serum, which is 50 mils or 1.7 fluid ounces. And again, that seems like it's quite a bit of product, so you can really give it a try and see if you like it. And the last one in here is the body lotion. It's 70 mils or 2.4 fluid ounces. So because this brand has such a good reputation, I really wanted to give it a try. And if it works out, I will definitely come back and buy the full-size products to use in my skincare routine for shower and bath. Oh, and then whenever you buy something at Sephora, you also get some samples. So I think these are my 3 samples. This is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment by Sunday Riley. It's a little sash that you get, so it's like 1 treatment. And then this is the Skin Fix Barrier Triple Liquid Peptide Cream, which is interesting because on the Style and Beauty Doctor, she talked about this brand, and she said it was really good. So if I like this little sample, I'll just go ahead and buy the jar. It comes in a jar. And then the last thing is the OLEHENRIKSEN Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. And yes, it's pronounced Ola Henriksen. I had to ask the lady in the store just to make sure I was saying it correctly, because for the longest time I was saying Ola, but it's pronounced Ula. So this is just, again, a little sample. So it comes in a little jar, and the jar looks like this. Alright, so I think that was everything for this haul. That's 10 different products that I purchased to try out. Lots of kits because these are brands that I have not used before except for the Bum Bum. And I wanted to see if I like it or not. I don't want to commit to like a bigger size without having given, you know, something smaller a try just in case I don't like it, because it's a lot of money and I never take anything back. Like I don't do returns to anywhere, so I want to make sure that I like it first. Either way, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your time. Let me know if you've used any of these brands. If you have, let me know what your experience is. Do you like them? Which ones are your favorites? Which ones should I be careful about? You know, share your comments in the comment section so all of us have an idea of what these brands are like. Otherwise, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your time, and I will see you soon. Take care.